Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate PayPal with ClickFunnels. All right. So first up, as you can see here under workspace settings and integrations, you won't be able to find PayPal in here. There are other ways to connect PayPal with ClickFunnels. All right. Just go ahead over to your dashboard. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to apps in the left panel. Now go ahead and click on add apps. All right. Now, once it loads, go ahead and scroll down and find Sales and Commerce section. And here we have Payments AI. Just click on it. Payments AI is needed for you to get the payments from your checkout pages, all right, or from your funnels. So first up, click on Add App. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and create your account if you haven't done so. Okay, create account. Now enter your first name and last name, also your email, and just go ahead and enter your number. All right. Once everything is filled right here, just go ahead and click on Create Account. Wait for it to load. Now, once it lands, there will be a verification code that is sent to your email. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up right here. I'm going to paste it and hit on confirm. So if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some two-factor authentication or 2FA. If not, just select none. Head on select. Now here in the next pages, all you need to do is just add in your business name. For example, this one, business country, business email, business phone. Make sure that you fill everything up right here. And once done, hit on next. And then in the next page, just click on verify that you are a human. Then hit on submit. All right. As you can see here, it says your account was set up successfully. You can now go ahead and click on go to dashboard. All right. So in the next page, all you have to do is just go to the right hand side and click on gateways. Okay. As you can see here, you have a ton of options like Stripe, PayPal, Coinbase, and more. So just go ahead and click on gateways for you to successfully add PayPal. And then in here, just click on connect. All right. Once you're done connect, there will be a pop-up window which will let you log in with your PayPal account. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and enable it on your profile or workspace setting. And then go ahead and add it in on your funnels. Okay. So just go ahead over to your ClickFunnels dashboard and here, go to workspace settings. And in here under payment settings, you should be able to see PayPal. Just go ahead and click on the slider to enable it. All right. Once done, go back to your dashboard. Now go to your funnels right here, open up a funnel. And once done, go ahead and go to the top right and go to the funnel setting right here. Make sure that you go ahead and go to the very bottom. All right. You'll be able to see enabled billing payment method types and check if PayPal is now in here. All right. That's basically how you do it. That's how you integrate PayPal with ClickFunnels. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.